Yep.
Okay, so here we've got Bycat we're putting together. These are the pole set and the computer and the equipment itself. So first of all, the pole set. We unclip this. The poles come out here. And these go together and make a triangular frame. Leave that there for the moment. And the frame's held together with a rod through the top here that also is used for pushing, and the rod's in the box, so we need the rod, and that goes in here. So we've got this here, stick the rod through here and it screws together in the top here, and this holds the whole up together. Okay, so that's that. So that's the frame, and then we need the instrument pods. This is the tray the computer goes on eventually. And we get the instrument pods out of the box here. This is in the middle to just keep them separate. The instrument pods look like this. And as you can see, they've got A and B on them. So we put B next to B here. And there's an A on this, and there's an A on this. So do that. Put that on here. And these screw together. Let's put this together here. Together quite easily like that. Okay, so same thing over on the other side. Okay, now once we've done that, we have to connect the two sides together. There's a couple of cables here. One goes to the computer. That's a USB lead on the end of this. That goes to the computer in a minute. But first of all, we have to connect sides A and B together. So wind these cables around the bar here, and put them together. Now, it's extremely important that these two sides are fastened together before you connect this into the computer. So first make sure that A and B are connected together. So make sure that this is connected here and the A and B are connected together before we connect this into the computer. Okay, so the next thing is to put the computer on. This goes in the pins here. There are two holes, and these pins go in the holes. Like that. and the computer sits on that. There we go. So the computer goes there. The USB lead, we can wind round here a couple of times to stop it getting caught. And plug this into the USB port on the computer. Then on the computer we have to start up, wait till it starts up. Right, the first thing we have to do on the computer is run a program called Instacal. When I found, there we go. Instacal detects the signal processing card, and you have to make sure you've got the right signal processing card recognised in this. So it'll tell you if it's the correct one there, or if it's not the correct one, it'll tell you, if the correct one's not there at the moment, it'll tell you what the one is that it's detected. So this one says select OK to remove one board and continue with the board that it's found. So it now tells me the board that it's found in there, and I say OK, and we can exit then from Instacal because it's now recognised the signal processing card. The next thing to do is run the ByCat software. So we find that on the programs here. Okay, so RailMeasurement, and yeah, okay, so once we've got the CAT software loaded, we're ready to continue with using the equipment or installing the right configuration constants in it. Okay, so that's actually how the equipment's all set up.